This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a limited slip differential, a low tire pressure indicator, full power accessories, a CD player, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This SUV also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.